Hi. So today I'm going to share with you about a remedy the wife needs to enhance the maintenance. In a situation where wife is contesting a divorce case, or wife is contesting a maintenance case, or wife is contesting a domestic violence case, there will always be a claim for interim maintenance and it will invariably be granted by the court. Now, in the course of the trial, the wife comes to know through the newspaper information or through any other third party information that the salary of the husband got enhanced through government reports or through any other PRC report or any other law. The wife comes to know that the husband's salary got enhanced and she also needs to enhance her maintenance, which she is entitled for. In those circumstances, the only problem wife has or the wife will suffer with is that she doesn't have the proof that the salary of the husband was enhanced. In those circumstances, generally wife will not proceed further for seeking an enhancement in her maintenance. So this video is for the wife who wants to file the enhancement application for maintenance, but she doesn't have the evidence, the proof that the salary of the husband got enhanced or revised. In those circumstances, what is the remedy available to the wife? Wife can simply allege with the source of the information she has, whether it is newspaper reports or government GOs or PRC report or whatever may be the report, whatever may be the information, she can simply allege and file an application in the court. It is not the burden of the wife to bring the evidence to the court regarding the enhancement of the salary of the husband. It is the husband's duty to discharge the burden. Because evidence law, Indian evidence law is very clear that whosoever is in the possession of the evidence will have to prove or disprove it. In the instant case on hand, wife doesn't have the information. Wife doesn't have the proof. It is in the hands of the husband. It is in the private possession of the husband. Wife can have no access, especially in a maintenance dispute, to the salary of the husband. Not even by Right to Information Act, where husband has to give permission for seeking that information by the wife, which invariably husband will reject, because it is his personal space. It is his personal information. It is his information between him and the government or between the salary payer. Therefore, it is not the burden of the wife to bring the proof to the court. It is the burden of the husband to disprove the claim of the wife. So, wife must simply allege the enhancement of the salary of the husband, and it is the burden of the husband to disprove the allegation if it is false or accept it if it is true. Or if the husband is not contesting, then wife allegation becomes true and she will be entitled for a claim of higher maintenance. The point here is that if the evidence is not in the possession of the wife, it is not the burden of the wife to prove the claim. It is the burden of the husband to disprove the claim of the husband by furnishing the evidence, is the sum and substance of this video. Hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.